How much money do you actually need to retire? There's a simple formula that answers this in about 10 seconds, and most people have never heard of it. How much money do you actually need to retire? Ask 10 people how much they need to retire, and you'll get 10 wildly different answers, most of them just guesses. That's because most people have never been shown the actual math. It's not complicated. It's just never taught. It's a formula, not a guess. Here's the rule. Take how much you spend in a year. Multiply it by 25. That's roughly how much you need invested to retire, based on something called the 4% rule. The idea is that if your money is invested, you can safely withdraw about 4% of it each year. And historically, it should last through a long retirement without running out. Here's what makes this rule so powerful and slightly uncomfortable. Your retirement number isn't really about how much you earn. It's about how much you spend. Lower your yearly expenses by $10,000. And you need $250,000 less to retire. Every dollar you don't need to spend is a dollar you don't have to save 25 times over. So here's how to actually use this. 1. Calculate your real yearly spending, not your income. 2. Multiply it by 25 to get your personal retirement number. 3. Track it once a year, because as your expenses or investments change, your number moves too. This isn't a promise or a guarantee. It's a starting point that turns a vague fear into an actual target. If you just did the math in your head and got curious, subscribe. Every week I break down one money habit that's quietly making people rich.